Meteorologist Joe Hansel right with you here on a look at your national forecast to finish out November. Final day. Happy Monday, November 30th. That weather pattern that keeps all the cold air north in Canada, that is weakened considerably, and you can see it. Highs in the 30s and 40s as far south as Atlanta. And with the massive cold air rushing in that quickly, that far south, you know it's going to rustle up some weather drama. Wind advisories in Atlanta today, New York City, Boston, high wind warning. Widespread winter weather events. Winter storm is expected today through tomorrow for the likes of Cleveland, Ohio. The same area of low pressure with stretching fronts will bring in everything from severe weather, heavy rain, to very heavy snow for the next 4 days. It's going to be a relative slow mover for the eastern third of the U.S., so hang in there. Be weather aware. In terms of heavy rain, we're talking probably 4 inches, around maybe a half a foot of rain locally in far eastern Maine through Wednesday evening. For snow, we'll have accumulations widespread, basically from Appalachia to Cleveland. That purple shade, that's probably a half a foot to a foot of snow today through tomorrow. Locally, a foot and a half or more can't be ruled out with system and a lake effect component getting involved in the coming days. Quick look at the northwest, half a foot to a foot of snow. Expected some powder for the skiers and snowboarders out in the Cascade Mountains, but some well-needed moisture always with that snowpack out in the mountains. Quick look at the Atlantic. It is the final day of the Atlantic hurricane season, at least on a calendar, but there's a medium risk of a named storm developing basically between Cape Verde and the Azores Islands. No threat to the United States, but something of note. For severe weather, marginal risk from Tampa Bay to Cape Canaveral. Marginal to slight risk of severe weather stretches from Raleigh, Cape Hatteras, Washington, D.C., Boston, New York City. Damaging winds and some tornadic activity can't be ruled out with the spin of this area of low pressure. Basically from coast to coast, we got weather makers with the green and red, green for rain, blue for snow. That continues well into the day tomorrow.